Want to make the best Pinterest boards to boost your business? Well, you're in the right place, for in this video, we'll show you a full explanation on how to create a Pinterest board. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. And before we get started, please go ahead and like and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. Pinterest is a powerhouse to increase blog traffic and sales. That's because pinners are actively searching for ideas, information, and products. Pinterest users are consumers and buyers. If your business isn't using Pinterest or you haven't optimized your Pinterest account for marketing your business, you're missing out. Set up the right boards now with this ultimate guide to Pinterest boards. First, let's talk about what are Pinterest boards. Pinterest allows you to upload, save, sort, and manage images, photos, graphics, and videos, known as pins, into a collection known as boards. As a user, you can browse other users' boards for content that takes your interest and pin it. Users can choose to follow individual boards that interest them instead of an entire account. Pinterest stands out from Facebook and Instagram in this regard. Next, where are my Pinterest boards? Pinterest recently changed the layout of your profile. Your boards are no longer visible when you or anyone first clicks to your account. Instead, your profile page now displays the Create tab, which shows your recently created pins. To see your Pinterest boards, you'll need to click the Saved tab. The first spot is taken by all pins, with the rest being your boards. The Pinterest board showcases a carousel of your 5 favorite boards. Next, what Pinterest boards should I make? What should you make Pinterest boards about? Well, your business. Set up one main board with your overarching topic. This one is not niched. It should encompass as much of your business topic as possible. You can also create one board that is only for your own content. Next, how many Pinterest boards should you have? You can have a crazy amount of boards. The limit is 2,000, which includes secret boards, as well as group boards you didn't create. This is probably way too many for any business. Start with the topics you'll be creating a lot of content or products for in the near future. So now that you know all of that information, let's move on to the important part: how to create a Pinterest board. Got some board names and descriptions ready? Let's make boards. You can create your boards from a desktop browser or on mobile. Either way, start by going to your Saved tab. From here on desktop, just click the plus sign on the far right and choose Create Board. On mobile, you'll also find the plus sign. Then select Board. Now enter your well-keyworded board name and click Create. Next, you'll edit the board to add the description. I recommend doing this right away to increase your chances of being found in search. Now that we have successfully created a board, I'll show you how to edit Pinterest boards. On desktop, you can edit any board from the Save tab by hovering the individual board and clicking the Edit pencil that appears in the lower right. Alternatively, if you already have the board open, click the 3 dots next to your board name, and then click Edit Board. On mobile, you need to open the board, and then tap the 3 dots on the top right corner of your screen. Then tap Edit Board. On the Edit Board page, you can add or edit your board cover, add or edit your board name, add or edit your board description, invite and add collaborators, or change your settings, in which you can choose to keep this board secret, so only you and collaborators can see it, and personalization, to show pins inspired by this board in your home feed. Lastly, from here you can also delete your board, but keep in mind that once you delete your board, all of its pins will also be deleted forever. You cannot undo the action. Once you're done editing, just click on Done. After editing, you also have a few more board options. Again, just click on the 3 dots. We have the Edit Board, which I showed a while ago. Next is the share option, where you can share your board to other social media, copy the link, or even send it through email. Next we have merge option. Click this if you want to combine any of your boards. And lastly, you can archive your board by clicking on this option. Moving on, here's how to add sections and to-dos to Pinterest boards. To add sections to your boards, click on the plus sign at the bottom center section of your screen. Then select Section. Name your section and click Add. That's it. You can repeat for more sections if desired. To add to-dos, again just click on the plus button. It's a new feature on Pinterest. To-dos are your board's workspace. You can use them to round up pins you want to try, write a list, or jot down anything else you want to remember. And lastly, here's how to organize your boards or pins. For boards, you can easily do so by clicking on the filter button where you can choose A to Z, Custom, Last Saved To, or edit your board's visibility. And for pins, you can easily do so just by simply clicking on the pin and dragging it to the order you want. And there you have it, a full explanation on how to create a Pinterest board. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends, did you know that you can create your own high-converting e-com store in just a few clicks and sell anything, anywhere? Yes, it is possible by using ShopFunnels by Technic4ce. Start your e-com store in just 10 minutes. With ShopFunnels, you can create an e-com store for any niche you want. It's so simple and powerful, you'll never go back to anything else. Create e-com stores easily, and it has powerful no-code design, simple product creation, customizable product page, create landing pages, has easy product and inventory management, and informative analytics. You can do A/B testing, and has lots of integrations. It's also GDPR compatible. You don't have to pay hundreds of dollars a month for overpriced e-com builders that reduces your profitability at every step. ShopFunnels is all you need to set up your dream e-com store. So go ahead and try it out. Just visit getshopfunnels.in. ShopFunnels, the most powerful e-com store builder. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.